bedtime story, Puppy's Brave Rescue. Once upon a time, in a cozy little house, lived a brave puppy named Buddy. Buddy was a golden retriever with soft, fluffy fur and big, brown eyes that sparkled with curiosity and kindness. He loved his family more than anything and always wanted to protect them. One stormy night, the wind howled and the rain poured down heavily. Thunder boomed and lightning flashed across the sky, lighting up the dark night. Buddy was snuggled up in his warm bed, dreaming of chasing butterflies, when suddenly a loud crash woke him up. Buddy's ears perked up, and he listened carefully. The storm had struck a big tree near their house, causing a heavy branch to fall right in front of the door. Buddy knew his family was inside, and they couldn't get out. Buddy barked loudly to wake his family. "Woof! Woof!" he barked. His barks echoed through the house, waking everyone up. Buddy's family hurried to the front door, but found it blocked by the big, heavy branch. They couldn't move it by themselves. Buddy knew he had to do something to help. He squeezed through the little doggy door and ran out into the storm. The rain soaked his fur, and the wind blew strongly, but Buddy didn't stop. He ran as fast as his little legs could carry him to the neighbor's house. Buddy barked and scratched the neighbors' doors. All the neighbors heard Buddy's urgent barks and quickly opened the doors. They saw Buddy, wet and shivering, and knew something was wrong. Buddy barked and ran towards his house, looking back to make sure the neighbors were following him. When they reached Buddy's house, they saw the big branch blocking the door. Together, the neighbors worked hard to remove the heavy branch. Buddy's family cheered them on from inside. With a lot of effort, they finally moved the branch away from the door. Buddy's family rushed out and hugged Buddy tightly. "You are our hero, Buddy," they said, showering him with love and kisses. Buddy wagged his tail happily. He was glad his family was safe. That night, Buddy realized that even in scary situations, staying calm and helping others was very important. Buddy's family praised him for his bravery and quick thinking. They gave him lots of treats and cuddles. From that day on, Buddy was known as the bravest puppy in the neighborhood. And so, Buddy lived happily with his family, always ready to protect them with his brave heart. Every night, as Buddy snuggled into his bed, he dreamed of more adventures and the love of his family. Now, little one, it's your turn to close your eyes. Let your dreams take you on wonderful journeys. Good night, sleep tight, and let the stars watch over you until morning light.